Located in the Laramie Mountain Range between Laramie and Cheyenne, tucked out of the way and at the end of the road, sits the Lost Springs Ranch. The ranch is a rare find of its size and location and is nestled into a very private setting that is rich in history and full of opportunities. The area is home to the University of Wyoming in Laramie and the Wyoming State Capitol in Cheyenne, and it's just a short drive to the Colorado Front Range. The ranch is just far enough away from the hustle and bustle, but still close enough to get back to it for an evening out. Consisting of 105 acres, the high country terrain has rolling hills, long draws, and beautiful rock outcroppings that all make up the varied landscape on this outstanding acreage. There are 2 creeks that run on the property and provide for a good grass meadow for livestock and wildlife alike. The ranch comes with early water rights on Nash Creek that present a host of additional opportunities. There is also a pond that sports brook trout and is a great watering place for the abundant neighborhood wildlife, including elk, mule deer, antelope, and a host of other Wyoming critters. The inviting 3,840 square foot 2-story custom rustic home has 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. There's a beautiful bar room and an office, all complemented by custom woodworking. The main floor is open and offers a wood stove, while the upstairs has a large kitchen and additional living space. The home is the quintessential mountain retreat. An oversized 2-car garage provides for plenty of space to spread out and live in this Wyoming lifestyle. The 24 by 30 foot outbuilding gives ample space for additional tools and toys. The ranch borders an additional 640 acres of Wyoming state land, which can be accessed for hunting and other recreational activities, while the Medicine Bow National Forest and Kurt Gowdy State Park are just a short drive away and offer even more outdoor opportunities. With tremendous views, wide open spaces, and excellent location, the Lost Springs Ranch is an opportunity to have your piece of the last frontier in the great state of Wyoming. For more information and a private tour, please contact Matt Munford at 307-640-3756.